Where do these massive solid wood tabletops actually come from? Have you ever wondered where they originate? In China, factories have imported giant sawar logs from Southeast Asia to process into impressive solid tabletops. And today, we will together find out the entire process of turning those raw logs into complete solid tabletops. Sawar wood, also called swar or rain tree, is a precious wood from Southeast Asia, famous for mesmerizingly beautiful wood grain, warm yellow-brown color, and high durability. Sawar trees can be 80 to 100 feet tall, with giant trunks 5 to 8 feet in diameter. Indonesia and Thailand are the main supply sources, with millions of cubic meters of sawar wood harvested from sustainable plantation forests every year. Round logs or raw slabs 2 to 5 inches thick, 3 to 6 feet wide, 6 to 12 feet long are exported to China for processing. The journey across the sea. 40-foot containers carry sawar wood from Jakarta Port, Indonesia, or Bangkok, Thailand, across the South China Sea to major Chinese ports like Shanghai, Guangzhou, Qingdao. Each container holds 15 to 25 raw sawar wood slabs, weighing 20 to 28 tons, worth $15,000 to $30,000. Shipping time, 7 to 14 days. At the Chinese port, containers are unloaded, customs check, CITES permits, and legal wood origin certificates. Wood arrives at the processing factory. Trucks carry containers from the port 50 to 200 miles to major furniture industrial zones in Guangdong, Zhejiang provinces. Containers are opened. Giant swar wood slabs 2 to 4 inches thick, 4 to 6 feet wide, 8 to 12 feet long, weighing 500 to 1,500 pounds each, are lifted by gantry cranes down to the wood yard. Workers check each slab, measure dimensions, check for cracks, rot, number and classify according to quality A, B, C. First stage, flattening and precise sawing. Raw slabs from Indonesia are often not flat, have bark and uneven edges. Giant planer machines with knives 60 to 80 inches wide plane the top and bottom, removing the raw wood layer 1/8 to 1/4 inch. Then CNC saws with blades 24 to 30 inches in diameter cut off bark and bad edges, shaping the rough tabletop. Planing speed 30 to 50 feet per minute. Shavings fly everywhere. Industrial dust extraction systems work continuously. Extremely important step, drying. Imported sawar wood has 30 to 50% moisture, too high to make furniture. Wood slabs are stacked into giant kiln dryers with precise temperature and humidity control systems. Temperature 120 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Air humidity decreases gradually according to cycle. Drying time 4 to 8 weeks depending on wood thickness. Moisture drops from 40% down to 8 to 12% standard level for furniture. Sensors monitor 24/7. Drying too fast, wood will split. Too slow wastes time. After drying, wood is fine planed and shaped precisely. Double-sided planers completely smooth the top and bottom surfaces. Uniform thickness plus or minus 1/32 inch. Wood surface is smooth and shiny. Sawar wood grain reveals beautifully twisted grain lines. Warm yellow-brown color with beautiful dark spots. Next, CNC saws cut according to the desired tabletop shape, rectangular, oval, or keeping the natural live edge, the hottest trend right now. Meticulous sanding stage, creating perfect smoothness. Craftsmen use random orbital sanders with sandpaper from coarse to fine. Sandpaper is used in order from coarse to fine. 60 grit, then 80 grit, next 120 grit, 180 grit, 220 grit, and finally 320 grit. Each level sanded 5 to 10 minutes, paying special attention to wood grain grooves, areas near edges, natural wood knot holes. Dust extraction systems attached to machines suck wood dust continuously. After sanding 320 grit, the wood surface is smooth as silk. Touching is mesmerizing. Completion time, 2 to 4 hours for a large tabletop. Handling natural defects, turning weaknesses into highlights. Natural swar wood has knot holes, small cracks. This is natural beauty but needs handling to be durable. Workers pour clear or colored epoxy resin, blue, black, gold, into cracks, voids. Epoxy is mixed according to precise ratio, poured carefully, waiting 24 to 48 hours to cure completely. Then sanding the epoxy face flush with the wood. The river table effect with blue epoxy between two wood logs is extremely beautiful. Polishing paint stage, creating protective layer and perfect beauty. The tabletop is wiped clean of dust, sprayed with sanding sealer filling wood pores. After 2 to 4 hours drying, light sanding 320 grit. Next, spraying 3 to 5 coats of glossy polyurethane or lacquer. Each coat 6 to 8 hours apart. Paint room temperature 68 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity 40 to 50% for paint to dry evenly without wrinkling. The final coat is polished using compound and low-speed polishing machine surface shiny as a mirror, protecting wood from water. Scratches. While the tabletop is being painted, the table leg frame is produced in parallel. Table legs can be wood or metal. With metal legs, most common square steel tube 2 by 2 inches or 3 by 3 inches are CNC cut according to design. TIG/MIG robot welders weld joints precisely, strongly. The frame is sanded, powder-coated matte black, white, or antique bronze. 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit oven makes powder paint cure in 15 to 20 minutes. Super durable leg frame, perfectly rust-resistant. Assembling tabletop and legs to perfect combination. The gloss-painted swar wood tabletop is placed upside down on an assembly table with soft protective padding. The metal leg frame is placed on the standard position. Workers drill positioning holes on the wood face. Then screw stainless steel M8 or M10 screws 2 to 3 inches long through the metal frame into the wood. Each corner 4 to 6 screws ensures firmness. Some designs use metal hinges or wooden crossbars, increasing stability. Check screws tightness, ensuring not loose. Comprehensive quality check, decisive step. QC inspectors check 8 criteria. 1. Wood surface no scratches, even paint. 2. Tabletop flatness using straight ruler to check, error under 3 millimeters. 3. Wood grain and color, beautiful, uniform. 4. Epoxy, no air bubbles, clear glossy. 5. Leg frame welded firmly, painted evenly. 6. Assembly screwed tight, not loose. 7. Dimensions laser measured versus CAD drawing. 8. Durability test load bearing 300 pounds. 100% of 8 criteria must pass. Pass rate, 92 to 95%. Professional packaging protecting high-end product. The tabletop is wrapped in transparent heat shrink nylon over the entire surface. Corners and edges wrapped with 10 millimeter thick EPE foam. 5-layer corrugated cardboard sheet is placed on the tabletop for protection. Leg frame, if detached, is wrapped separately. The whole thing is placed into wooden pallet frame or sturdy wooden crate for international transport. Outside label pasted. Product image, dimensions. Weight, 150 to 400 pounds. Fragile. This side up. Tracking QR code. Made in China. Global export transport. Tables are loaded onto 40-foot containers, each container holding 30 to 60 tables depending on size, worth $50,000 to $150,000 from the factory in Guangdong. Containers travel 50 to 100 miles to Shenzhen or Guangzhou ports. Giant container ships carry goods around the world. Los Angeles, USA, 15 to 20 days. Rotterdam, EU, 30 to 35 days. Dubai, Middle East, 18 to 25 days. GPS tracking tracks real time. Arriving at the global market. Made in China, Suar wood tabletops are sold at high-end furniture stores, design showrooms, and online via Amazon, Wayfair, Alibaba. In the US and Europe, selling price $800 to $5,000 depending on size and design. Dining table for 6 to 8 people, 72 to 96 inches long, is most popular. Customers love natural beauty, high durability, and each table is unique. No two Suar wood slabs are exactly alike. Home delivery and installation. Trucks specializing in high-end furniture arrive at the customer's door. 2 professional workers carefully open the crate, check the product. They carry the tabletop weighing 200 to 400 pounds into the dining room. Install legs, if detached. Place in desired position, level using shims. Wipe the tabletop clean with microfiber cloth. Customers gaze at the beautiful table, unique Suar wood grain, sparkling blue epoxy, mirror glossy surface in their modern home, smiling satisfied. Table in daily life. Families gather around the Suar wood dining table, cozy dinner with 6 to 8 people. Friends come to play. Everyone admires the beauty of the table. Children do homework on the glossy tabletop. Parties, memorable birthdays. The table is not just furniture, it is the center of the home, where families connect, create memories. Suar wood is sustainable, can be used for 20 to 30 years, even passed down to the next generation. Economic and environmental impact. The Chinese export furniture manufacturing industry creates millions of jobs from factory workers, craftsmen, designers, logistics to marketing. Every year exporting wood furniture worth more than $60 billion US. Importing wood from sustainable Southeast Asian plantation forests helps protect natural forests. Modern processing technology optimizes raw materials, reduces waste. Each table is a testament to craftsmanship combined with technology made in China quality. And that is the magical journey from the giant Suar tree in Indonesia to the beautiful solid tabletop in your home. From importing precious wood, advanced processing technology, exquisite craftsmanship, to global export, China has affirmed its position as the world's leading furniture production hub. Wood is not only a material used for interior decoration or producing daily housewood items like tables, chairs, cabinets, beds, but is also one of the most traditional, safe, and friendly materials for producing toys for children. In the country, with the second largest industry in the world, wooden toys are produced and exported globally. And right now, let's explore the wooden toy production process in modern factories. The rubber tree, Hevea brasiliensis, has a unique double life. Stage 1, 7 to 25 years. Latex tapping for gloves, tires. Stage 2, 25 to 30 years. When latex yield drops. Trees are cut for toy, furniture wood. Each tree is 60 to 80 feet tall, 16 to 24 inches in diameter, yielding 0.7 to 1.0 cubic meters of solid wood. Rubber wood has perfect characteristics for toys. 1. Non-toxic, not harmful, safe for kids. 2. Light color, pale yellow, easy to paint. 3. Medium density, 640 to 720 kilograms per cubic meter light, but strong. 4. Easy to machine, easy to cut, drill, sand. 5. Affordable, 40% cheaper than beech/maple. Hainan and Yunnan produce 150 to 200 cubic meters per hectare per year. The harvest season is from March to May, after the tree retires from latex production. Lumberjacks use specialized chainsaws to cut trees at the base. One difference from oak/pine, rubber wood must be processed immediately after cutting because it is prone to mold and sap stain, blue-black streaks, due to enzyme oxidation within 24 to 48 hours. Right at the forest, workers spray boron preservative onto fresh wood. Trees are delimbed, bucked into 6 to 8 feet logs. Skidders pull logs to the collection point. Each worker cuts 25 to 35 trees per day. Interesting fact, 100% of the rubber tree is recycled, not a single part is wasted. Truly sustainable forestry. Urgent transport. Log loaders grab logs onto trucks. Vehicles carrying 22,000 to 33,000 pounds, 10 to 15 tons, move quickly to the toy factory sawmill, 30 to 80 miles away. At the gate of Rowood Wooden Toys Factory in Guangdong, logs are checked. Diameter greater than or equal to 12 inches. No rot, no severe cracks. Fresh moisture content, 50 to 60%, immediately. Logs are put into a vacuum treatment chamber, a vacuum pressure tank with 3 to 5% boron solution at 100 to 150 psi for 45 to 90 minutes. Boron penetrates deep into the wood, preventing mold, termites, fungi. After treatment, wood is safe and ready for sawing. Welcome to Rowood Toy Factory, where rubber wood works magic. First step, sawing and cutting. Logs are placed on the bandsaw carriage. Large saws cut into lumber. Planks 0.75 to 1.5 inches thick. Boards 4 to 8 inches wide. Recovery rate 35 to 45% because the trunk is smaller than oak. Lumber is cut into blanks, rough billets, by crosscut saw and rip saw according to toy part sizes. 2 by 2 by 4 inches for building blocks, 1 by 6 by 8 inches for puzzle pieces, 3 by 3 by 12 inches for train cars. Waste wood is not thrown away, made into sawdust blocks or biomass fuel. Blanks are sorted by size and quality, grade A/B/C, grade A for visible toy parts, grade C for internal frames. Kiln drying is important. Wet blanks, 50 to 55% MC, are stacked in kiln dryers with stickers, 1 by 1 inch wooden strips, separating them. The kiln is heated by steam/electric to 120 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 49 to 60 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity decreases from 85% down to 40%. The drying process takes 7 to 14 days faster than furniture lumber because toy blanks are smaller. Goal: moisture content 8 to 12% ideal for toys not warping. Rubber wood dries faster than oak, but must be careful to avoid case hardening. Dry outside, wet inside. Kiln operators monitoring 24/7. Blanks after drying are 40% lighter and stable, ready for machining. CNC routing, the heart of toy production. Blanks are fed into CNC routers, computer-controlled cutting machines with precision plus or minus 0.02 inches. CAD software, AutoCAD Rhino, designs 3D toys. CAM software, Mastercam, creates tool paths. CNC routers with multi-spindle, 4 to 6 cutting heads, cut multiple parts at once, increasing productivity 400%. For example, wooden train engine from 3 by 4 by 8 inch blank is cut, drilled, carved in detail in 5 to 8 minutes. Building blocks are gang cut many at once. Puzzle pieces with interlocking tabs are laser cut accurate to 0.01 millimeters. Dust collection system sucks. Dust strongly 8,000 cubic feet per minute. Capacity: 500 to 800 toy parts per hour, depending on complexity. Detailed carving and drilling. Complex parts need manual carving or 5-axis CNC. For example, rocking horse head with mane. Facial features: dollhouse has decorative trim. Window frames. Drill presses create holes for dowels. Axles, wheel shafts. Assembly screws. Gang drill machine drilling 5 to 10 bits at once. Drilling holes for building block sets. Hole diameter 0.25 to 0.5 inches for dowels. 0.125 inches for axle pegs. Tolerance plus or minus 0.005 inches, so parts fit tightly. Lathe machines create cylindrical parts, wheels, axles, pegs, turning speed 1,200 to 2,000 RPM. Result: toy parts with exquisite details. Sanding, the key safety step. All toy parts must be sanded thoroughly to remove splinters, rough edges, sharp corners, absolutely safe for children. Multi-stage sanding, stage 1. Drum sander, 60 to 80 grit, removes large rough surfaces. Stage 2. Belt sander, 100 to 120 grit, smooths edges and curves. Stage 3. Orbital sander, 150 to 180 grit, creates smooth surface. Stage 4. Hand sanding, 220 grit, for small details and hard-to-reach areas. Rubberwood sands easier than hardwoods. Edge rounding mandatory. All corners must be rounded 3 millimeters radius, according to EN 71 safety standards. Workers check by hand every part. Goal: surface smooth as silk. No splinters. Base coating primer layer. Before coloring, parts are applied. Base coat, primer, to seal wood and create good foundation for paint adhesion. Eco-friendly water. Base primer is sprayed by HVLP spray guns in spray booth with strong ventilation. Primer, clear or white, depending on final color. For example, train engine to be painted red uses white primer. Natural building blocks use clear sealer. Parts are hung on overhead conveyor chains running through drying tunnel 85 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 45 minutes. After drying, light sanding 220 grit to smooth primer layer. Create tooth for top coat. Primer application ensures even, durable paint. No peeling critical for toys withstanding impact. Color painting vivid coloring. This is the step turning toy parts into colorful products. Non-toxic water-based paints, EN 71-3 certified no lead, no heavy metals, are used. Colors, red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple primary colors stimulate children's visual development. There are 3 methods. 1. Spray painting for large surfaces like train bodies, rocking horse. 2. Drum painting, tumbling parts in drum with paint, effective for building block sets, 1,000 blocks painted at once. 3. Dip painting, dipping parts into paint bath. Each color needs 2 to 3 layers, drying 20 to 30 minutes between layers. Color consistency, critical batch mixing ensures uniformity. Silk screen printing, decorative printing. Many toys need logos, patterns, educational graphics, letters A, B, C, numbers 1, 2, 3, animal faces. Silk screen printing method. 1. Stencil screen with pattern is placed on toy surface. 2. Ink is spread through screen by squeegee. 3. Pattern transfers to toy-only ink in open areas of stencil. For example, alphabet blocks have letters A to Z, train cars have numbers 1 to 10, puzzle pieces have animal illustrations. Heat transfer printing for complex images. Decal is placed on toy. Heat press 300 degrees Fahrenheit transfers image. Pad printing for small curved surfaces. Laser engraving for premium toys. Brand logo, child's name customization. Graphics must be child safe, no small decals that can peel off. Clear coat finishing final protection. After painting and printing, toys are applied. Clear top coat to protect paint, create gloss, and easy to clean surface. Water-based polyurethane, PU, or acrylic clear coat is sprayed 1 to 2 thin layers. Finish options. 1. Matte finish dull, natural look, tactile feel good for baby toys. 2. Satin finish semi-gloss, most popular, both beautiful and practical. 3. Gloss finish high gloss, vibrant colors pop out, easy to clean. Top coat must meet toy safety, saliva resistant, bite resistant, non-flaking. Final drying 24 hours at room temperature or 2 to 3 hours in curing ovens 100 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Toys after finish are hard, durable, ready for assembly. Assembly finish product assembly. Simple toys like building blocks don't need assembly, but complex toys need skilled workers. Train sets. Engine cars are connected by magnetic couplers or hook and loop. Wheels are attached to axles. Axles inserted into train body through dowel holes. Wood glue, PVA non-toxic, is used for permanent joints. Rocking horses, body rockers, head assembly using dowels and screws. Dollhouses, walls, roof, floors are glued and nailed together. Puzzles. Pieces are fit tested, ensuring interlock perfect. Quality control. Workers check each assembled toy wheels roll smooth, connections tight, no loose parts, choking hazard. Assembly line. 50 to 100 toys per hour, depending on complexity. Final quality control. Strict inspection. Each toy passes 20 to 30 checkpoints before packaging. 1. Visual inspection, no paint defects, scratches, dents. 2. Dimension check measuring tools, verify size match specs. 3. Safety test, no sharp edges, edge tester, no small parts under 31.7 millimeters, small parts, cylinder test. 4. Function test wheels roll smooth, doors open/close, puzzle pieces fit. 5. Drop test toy dropped from 36 inches onto hard floor, check for breakage. 6. Bite test, simulated teeth, bite toy. No paint flake off. 7. Saliva and sweat test toy soaked in solution. Check for harmful substance leaching. Pass rate 96 to 98%. Failed toys reworked or discarded. Third-party testing labs, SGS, TUV, certify compliance EN71, ASTMF 963, CPSIA. Packaging design, attractive packing. Toys are packed into packaging, both protective and marketing. Options: 1. Window boxes, craft paper boxes with plastic window to see toy inside, printed with colorful graphics, age recommendations, educational benefits. 2. Shrink wrap individual toys wrapped in clear plastic. 3. Mesh bags building block sets in cotton mesh bags, reusable. 4. Wooden crates premium train sets in decorative wooden boxes. Packaging must be recyclable, minimal plastic, clear labeling, age 3, choking warnings, barcode, brand logo. Assembly instructions included for complex toys. Packaging line, automated machines fold boxes, insert toys, seal 200 units per hour. Attractive packaging increases sales 40%. Distribution, global distribution. From Rowood Factory, Guangdong, thousands of cartons of wooden toys are transported worldwide. Domestic market, 40%. Truck to toy stores all over China, Beijing. Shanghai, Shenzhen, export market, 60%. Toys are containerized, shipped to 80+ countries. Top destinations, USA, 30%. Target, Walmart, Amazon, EU, 20%. Toy shops, Germany, UK, France, Australia, 8%. Japan, 7%. Middle East, 5%. 40-foot container holds 8,000, 12,000 toy sets, depending on size. Shipping time, 25 to 35 days by sea to USA, 20 to 25 days to EU. China exports $2.8 billion wooden toys per year, accounting for 65% global market share. Rubber wood toys are popular because eco-friendly, affordable. $10 to $80 per set versus $50 to $200 for hardwood toys. At retail meeting families, at Target, Walmart Toy Department, Amazon Warehouse, wooden toys are displayed eye-catchingly. Popular products: building block sets, 50 to 200 pieces, $15 to $45. Wooden train sets, $25 to $80. Puzzles, 20 to 100 pieces, $12 to $35. Rocking horses, $60 to $150. Dollhouses, $80 to $200. Parents love rubber wood toys because 1. Safety, non-toxic. No sharp edges, durable. 2. Educational, develop motor skills, creativity, problem solving. 3. Eco-friendly, sustainable wood, biodegradable. 4. Screen-free play, encourage imagination versus tablets. 5. Heirloom quality, passed down generations. Reviews, 4.5 to 5 stars. My 3-year-old loves the train. Set safe, sturdy, beautiful. Global market, 180 million children play with wooden toys every year. Rubber wood toys account for 40% wooden toy market. Educational benefits. Wooden toys are not just toys, but learning tools. Building blocks develop spatial awareness, hand-eye coordination, early math, counting, sorting. Train sets teach cause-effect, sequencing, storytelling. Puzzles improve problem solving, patience, fine motor skills. Pretend play, dollhouses, kitchen sets. Enhance social skills, language development, emotional intelligence. Montessori educators recommend wooden toys because tactile experience is better than plastic. Studies show children playing with wooden toys have 40% longer attention span versus electronic toys. Rubber wood's natural texture, weight, warmth stimulate sensory development. Eco-consciousness. Parents teach kids about sustainability. This toy from tree that made rubber for cars. Next generation grows up environmentally aware.